How to keep standby mode always on in iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to keep standby mode always on in iOS 17. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Standby is a new customizable lock screen mode in iOS 17 that activates only when an iPhone is positioned on its side, that is, horizontally in landscape orientation, while connected to a charging cable, a MagSafe charger, or a Qi-based wireless charger. It is a kind of smart display for your iPhone that offers fast access to different screens of glanceable information that can be viewed at a distance when your device is charging on a kitchen, desk, or nightstand, for example. Now, to keep standby mode always on, launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for standby. Tap on that and then tap on the display option. Now, under turn display off, go ahead and set it to automatically. When set to automatically, the display will intelligently turn off when iPhone is not in use and the room is dark. So this is how you can keep standby mode always on iOS 17. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.